Lieutenant General Rajiv Chopra ji, ladies, officers and dear cadets. It is my proud privilege to stand here today in front of the elite cadets of the National Cadet Corps. It is indeed both humbling and challenging to be here in front of you. Humbling because it is an honor to be addressing a gathering as the Chief Minister of our great state, and challenging because I know I am facing the future leaders of this great state and country who look forward to nothing but the best. Needless to say, it is indeed a great occasion as our country celebrates 71st Republic Day, and what better way to celebrate than to be in the midst of our very own NCC cadre. NCC, since its inception in 1948, has grown phenomenally to its current strength of 14 lakh cadets. NCC's motto, unity and discipline, inspires the cadets to develop camaraderie, discipline and leadership. By inculcating amongst the youth ideals of selfless service and the spirit of adventure, the NCC makes an invaluable contribution towards national integration and nation building. The huge popularity of the NCC amongst youth and especially the country's leadership is due to its ability to mold the young cadets into united, responsible, secular and productive citizens of our great country. The activities and curriculum of the NCC plays a vital role in nation building by providing multifaceted opportunities to the youth for self-development, inculcating discipline and commitment. The National Cadet Corps over the years has played a commendable role in enabling the youth to become responsible citizens of our country. The community development and social service schemes undertaken by NCC cadets like environment protection, anti-tobacco drive, tree plantation drive, blood donation camps, adult education, anti-dowry, anti-leprosy, anti-drug, AIDS, cancer awareness programs and Swachh Bharat Mission are powerful tools to spread social awareness across all sections of society. Your voluntary contribution in this respect has been really commendable. I am sure the ethos of teamwork and value education inculcated in you will always enable you to positively contribute towards nation building in future also. My heartiest congratulations to the girl cadets who summited Mount Ten Chang Kang and boy cadets who summited Mount Hanuman Tibba, both 6,000 meters peaks. I am happy to learn that 3 NCC teams participated in Subrato Cup football tournament and 4 teams participated in Jawaharlal Nehru Hockey Championship. The hockey girls and hockey boys under 17 teams won the silver medal, which is commendable. I also compliment you for winning 6 gold, 6 silver and 5 bronze medals during the All India Mavlanka Shooting Championship. NCC team winning 2 bronze medals in National Shooting Championship and 34 NCC cadets qualifying for national team trials is a feather in your cap. Your spectacular achievements will no doubt attract a large number of young students to join NCC and encourage more and more schools and colleges to add NCC in their curriculum. I wish to congratulate you all for being the chosen few from amongst the large and competitive peer group to represent your state during the Republic Day. I wish you the very best. Continue working hard to bring greater glory to your state, NCC and our country. Jai Hind.